Time to pay recognition to our artists. The Tribute 30 on WAC 90.1 FM with DJ Aaron 868.
To South Africa, you're pushing my back against the wall, I'm calling the tribes of Carnival. I man decide to put on his boots and march to defend his roots. Say, calling them Juju, calling them Zulu, shouting Ashanti, calling Watusi. In South Africa and Rhodesia, let go run like water. Prepare my brother for the bloody river. Just remember, brother, blood thicker than water. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. This fight won't be so easy, but you got to get rid of the enemy. If you don't get rid of the enemy shall get rid of thee. My people, you see, we have no choice, so Africans hear my voice. Say, calling them Zulu, calling them Juju, shouting Ashanti, calling Watusi. In South Africa and Rhodesia, let go run like water. Prepare my brother for the bloody river. Just remember, brother, blood thicker than water. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Talk that America supporting white South Africa, but if we have to walk voodoo, my people shouting you. Some the drums and summon the witch doctors to deal with those weird characters. Say, calling them Zulu, calling them Juju, shouting Ashanti, calling Watusi. In South Africa and Rhodesia, blood will run like water. Prepare my brother for the bloody river. Just remember, brother, blood thicker than water. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. the children who died in Soweto. To the freedom fighters I declare, Africans' affair is my affair. Ian Smith and Buster got to go, the revolution says so. Say, calling them Juju, calling them Juju, shouting and chanting, calling Watusi in South Africa and Rhodesia. Let go run like water. Prepare my brother for the bloody river. Just remember, brother, blood thicker than water. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe. Stay up, Zimbabwe.
You talk about a place where the people are carefree living. It is such a place of fun loving, spraying and fetting. This the land where people don't care if Ash Wednesday fall on Good Friday. Man, they love to struggle in this happy-go-lucky way. It's Blockorama, Fetorama, and just now is Masorama. So the foreigner come for carnival, and he telling himself after he had a ball.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
It's the foreigner in La Trinity, the people have a carnival mentality.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
They are not serious, very few conscious, so I cannot agree with my own chorus.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
But I hear some people talking about Revolution Day, changes on the way. They're born in a land, the better part controlled by the alien. They fill the pockets of Portuguese, Chinese and Syrian. Trinidadians is who should own land. Now is the time to make the land their possession, but their sense of taste could just trace to all them fancy showcase. So the businessman, he blow their mind, and his dollars, them got to find. Trinidad is nice for men like Sabda, Kupulani, Maraj and Waidi Lima.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
Business expanding, more banks they dealing, so is the capitalists and them who should sing.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
And like the slave masters want to bring back the whip, and the chorus singing like they on a trip.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
But I hear my sister talking about Revolution Day, I am on the way. They don't know their worth, like they haven't a sense of value. They don't know their rights, even that they cannot argue. 750,000 people cannot get up and do something about the struggle, but to plan for the next holiday, to set their lives away, and forgetting that they own the soil of which their foreparents toil. For the people who form the Constitution laws, for the oppressors and foreign investors.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
Amoco and Shell business did went swell, on your oil them foreign parasites dwell.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
Yet the song I sing, like if I hearing the chorus singing, God save the King.
Trinidad is nice, Trinidad is a paradise.
But I hear my brother talking about Revolution Day, fighting on the way.
You don't know you're just another flying tar. sky. Birds that fly high, got to fly back down to die. So flap your wings and fly. You could never touch just sky. And don't care how high you fly, you got to fly back down to die. Birds that fly high, got to fly back down to die. Mr. Big Man, hear the words of this small man. You only creating your own damnation. You make vanity and luxury your glory, but behind that stands a very sad, sad story. What does it profit the man who owns the whole world and yet suffereth the loss of his own soul? Birds that fly high, none of them ever touch the sky. Birds that fly high, got to fly back down to die. So flap your wings and fly. You could never touch the sky. And don't care how high you fly, you got to fly back down to die. Birds that fly high, got to fly back down to die.
Life is a stage, and we are the actors, and everybody have a part to play. Like a never-ending movie with all different characters, each one have a role to portray. Down to the scavengers and them barristers, all them doctors and lawyers and these ministers. So this honorable this and this honorable that, and this lady so and so. It's a part all them people play, I want you to know. So don't blame the politician anytime you find you get bad administration. Oh no, that was meant to be. The fella is playing his role superbly. Now don't blame the judges for their injustice. Why blame the criminals, I say? It's a part they come out to play. This movie starts in the Garden of Eden. The star and co-star was Adam and Eve. They played their part, now they are dead, but not forgotten. And when I study the role of Adam, it makes me breathe. Shows man should be able to take example. And it's see from the beginning, woman was trouble. But then your rule is according to your script, I say, and your fate will be judgment day. And according to the part that you play, the master go pay. Now down to the little children, from the time they born, they join life with movie. But some of us fathers, my friend, through some wicked women, never saw our baby. Although abortion is just an act, believe me friends, I don't like that part at all. Plenty women go boy when the curtain fall. Say what you want, believe I'm not joking. The women are the greatest performers for me. They're always important, and down to their love making, these people could win an academy. They could put you in heaven,
they could put you in hell. Woman could put man places, man would shame to tell. So then a man must want to kill because the part he have to play is to love with his heart and soul. So you see where the females always have the better role. So don't blame Christine Killer just because she wrecked the lives of some politicians. She played a sexy character and she caught FOMO with her sex reactions. So we should tip our hats to England and sing hurrah for good old Christine, the greatest actress, don't doubt, that the world have seen. Trinidad have some scenes that I go off on. The acting is greater than on Broadway. Not even on the movie screens you could see people perform like Trinidadians are talking about, man, how they could play. Trinidad, as we all know, chief role is Kaiso. Then feet tearing, playing pan, football and the limbo. But for playing the part of smart man and smart woman, I could bet my hand. And for creating a big impression is a Trinidadian. Now the ambitious guy with the jacket and tie, who walks the road and hold up his head high. You would shock to know where that same ambitious fella head does go. But it's a part he come out to play, and we really can't treat the fella with scorn. And as they say, the show must go on.
As I cross Green Corner and I enter the border on the western frontier, I start to remember the first panorama. And as I pass the oval heading for St. James, yes, I started to reflect on some steel band names. This area was better known as Steel Band Territory, because it really produced the best symphony. So with all due respect to desperados, renegades, all-stars and the rest, and from the west was the best. Ellie Manette and Shell Invaders, you got to confess. And from the west was the best. Anthony Williams and Panam North Stars used to put them to the test. And from the west was the best. I only singing about that era when the pan men had style and finesse. And from the west was the best. This is the saga of the pan men who used to wear the crown when Steel Band was king in this western town. It was the home of Tripoli, the home of Sun Valley, Crossroad and Crossfire, and the best steel band
was from Bombay Street, Kandahar. That was the band who won the first panorama, and they won it back to back the year after. That steel band used to reign supreme over all, and nobody ever beat them in a festival. So with all due respect to quartets and new tunes, Ammonites, Exodus and the rest,
Man from the West was the best.
Early Manette and Shell Invaders, we got to confess,
Man from the West was the best.
Anthony Williams and Panam North Stars used to put them to the test.
Man from the West was the best.
I'm only singing about an era when the pan men had style and finesse.
Man from the West was the best.
This is the saga of the pan men who used to wear the crown when steel band was king in this western town. Caranage Boys Town had a beautiful song, and Valley Haps from Petite Valley. We even had Third World, Blue Stars and West Side Symphony. And if my memory serves me right, I want you to know Bellevue was the home of a band we used to call Cairo. Symphonies, Silver Stars, Metronomes and the great Starlift was not just a legacy, it was a God-given gift. So with all due respect to Free French and Hatters, Cavaliers, Fonclair and the rest,
Man from the West was the best.
the Delhi Manette and Shell Invaders, hey, we got to confess,
Man from the West was the best.
Anthony Williams and Panam North Stars used to put them to the test.
Man from the West was the best.
I am only singing about an era when the pan men had style and finesse.
Man from the West was the best.
This is the saga of the pan men who used to wear the crown when steel band was king in this western town. Pan men like Rock and Leslie, Headers, Null and Coxie, and Solène Bugsy. We even had Kobo Jack, Zephyrin and Moutabi. Men like Imam, Shadow Hugh Bud, and Zuzi. Sonny Roach, Roy Harper, Ray Holman, and Zambi. Desmond Bell, Ola Pierre, I could boast and brag. And special thanks to Phase 2 for flying with flag. So with all due respect to Tobago All-Stars, Buccaneers, our boys and the rest,
Man from the West was the best.
the Delhi Manette and Shell Invaders, hey, we got to confess,
Man from the West was the best.
Anthony Williams and Panam North Stars used to put them to the test.
Man from the West was the best.
I am only singing about an era when the pan men had style and finesse.
Man from the West was the best.
This is the saga of the pan men who used to wear the crown when steel band was king in this western town.